Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Today I would like to keep sharing with you some important Feng Shui knowledge, which is your front door. Your front door is so important. Do you realize that? And for traditional residential Feng Shui, it ranks the most important among other things. The reason is so simple, because we need to in and out our home every single day by using the front door. And there's some movement, and there's some exchange of an indoor and outdoor energy by using the front door. So that's why it's so important. If your front door, the location is good, the direction is good, the Feng Shui setting is good. So every single day, you enjoy those good luck Feng Shui energy. It's refreshing you, so which is quite awesome, and we like that one. But unfortunately, if let's say your front door, the direction is bad, or the location is bad, or the Feng Shui setting is not really good, every single day you need to suffering from those bad luck Feng Shui energy. We don't want that one, so we want to avoid that. But for traditional Feng Shui theory, just the front door is so complicated, so many things you need to pay attention. So it's quite confusing. But today, I would like to simplify it, just list the top 10 of them, so for your reference. So are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. The most important is your front door, make sure it's not a breakthrough door. What is the breakthrough door is when you open the door, the front door, you see your back door is exactly in front of you. So the front door and the back door, they're in the same line. So the energy come and go, come and go. The money come and go without a stop. So it's not really good for money luck. Even you make a lot of money, but there's a lot of expense or unexpected expenditure you need to pay for it. So it's not really good for you to save some money. So that's why we don't want that one. But let's say if you really have that kind of situation, is there anything we can do? The answer is yes. There's something you can do to offset those bad luck Feng Shui energy. It's so simple. We just need to do something in between the front door and the back door. We put something to block it. Some furniture or some cabinet that can do that. Some people would like to do this when you open the front door and then you put like a display cabinet close to the front door. So this cabinet can act like a block to block the energy, which is really good. Or you can do something in the middle, or you can do something close to the back door. It's up to you. Or you can do something like this. Put some green plants just like a C shape, and then put a round table at the end. So the good Feng Shui energy will just like a floating in a C shape. Before it's going straight without a stop. Right now is you slow it down, and then the round table will store the good energy over there. So this is a good suggestion for you. You can do that. Okay, the second thing we need to pay attention is the T shape or T strip. What is the T strip is, let's say if your house is at the end of the road, at the end of the street, it's not really good. You know why? It's so simple. It's like a scientific. Imagine right now it's like a weekend and a drunk driver is in the midnight, keep driving. He's like a drink too much and he keep driving. He thought the road is keep going, is continue, so hit the gas and then hit your house. So there's a unnecessary accident will occur. So that's why we don't want that one. There's a really minor situation, really small chance for commercial property. Some T-shaped property, the business is really good. It's really awesome. But you need to sacrifice something, let's say for your health or relationship. But you need to do a lot of calculation for that one. But for residential, definitely we don't recommend that one because it's not really good for our overall luck. So that's why we want to avoid that. But let's say if your house is really like this, is there anything we can do? Of course, the answer is positive. We can do something to block the bad luck energy. There's something you can do. You can build a wall or build something to block it. The best idea is we can build something with the green living plants, something like this. we can build the first layer is a thin layer of grass, and then the second layer is something like the winter green boxwood around 3 feet. They will help. And then the last layer is something like a privacy hedge around 6 feet. So 1, 2, 3, 3 layer, just like a step going up. It means your money luck, your overall fortune is going up and up and up. So this is something good. You can do that. But I know that to build something like this, especially those plants, you need some time. So in between, you can do something is you can park your car outside to block it. If you have your van, it's better because it's bigger. Or if you have your truck, it's much better. Or if you have your RV, which is perfect, you can park your RV outside. We can act as like a barrier or blockage to block the road and your house. Even though there's some accident, the driver want to hit your house, to hit your RV or your truck first before hitting your house. So this is something good for you, for your protection. You can do that. Okay, the third one. The third one is when you open your front door, you see something funny. Let's say some angle or some like a building edge, which is not really good because there's sharp object, just like a blade or saw or knife is cutting your front door. Or if you want to open your house and then you see a tree, a big tree outside, it's not really good because it's blocking your view and then it's not really good for the money luck. Or if you can open your front door, you see it like a strict side, just like some weapon is hitting your front door. So definitely it's not really good. Especially when there's some like a yearly fire start, like a 5 yellow, which is we call the start of a disaster, is going to the front door. That means it's not really good because it will bring some accident or some bad luck. If the number 2 fire start, which is the start of a sickness, is going to the front door, is also not really good. So that's why we want to avoid that one. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is when you open your front door, you see your neighbor front door. So it's a door facing door. In Asia, especially those apartments, is quite common. You open your front door, you see your neighbor. So this is we call an argument door. It's not really good for relationship. It's not really good for relationship inside the house and also the relationship with your neighbor. So we want to avoid that. If some people would like to do this, they open the door and then they keep their gates closed. So in like a summertime, they can get some fresh air coming. If you and your neighbor doing something like this, the energy between your home and his home will just exchange. So it will make the case more complicated. Sometimes you have a good luck, they have a bad luck, then you mix together. So it's not really good for your home. It's not really good for your luck too. So that's why we want to avoid that one. Okay, number 5. You open your front door, you see something inside is your bedroom door. So it means your bedroom and your front door is in the same line. It's not really good for the relationship within that bedroom door. If let's say that bedroom is the master bedroom, it's not really good for the relationship with the marriage and the couple. So definitely we want to avoid that. To offset those energy, again, it's simple. We need to use something to block the energy. Then it will help. Okay, number 6. We open our front door, we want to see something good. Something happiness, something good luck, something good fortune, a good picture, crystal, flower that make us happy. That will be really good. We don't want open our front door and then we see inside is a mirror or the restroom or the kitchen, which is not really good. So we want to avoid that. Okay, number 7. For your front door, make sure that inside and outside, keep it clean and nice and clear. If some shoes or whatever, just put it nicely. Just make the front door really like a clean and simple. That will definitely help. Okay, number 8. Number 8 is if your house is big, make sure your door is big door. If your house is small, make sure your door is a small. We need to like let your house and your door be related together. And if we can choose to open the door, in the middle is the best. or we can open in the dragon side, it will also help. And if, let's say, the front door is nothing outside, then you need to do something to protect your front door. Some plants in between, on the left hand side and right hand side, to protect your dragon side and tiger side. That will help. And some carpets in front of the front door, that will definitely help. Okay, number 9. Number 9 is when you open your front door, if you see a stair, which is not really good. If you see a stair, upward stair outside, so it's not really good for our health, because those energies just hitting your front door. It's not really good. If you open your front door and then you see a stair inside is upward one, it's not really good for the money fortune, because this money just fall away. So it's not really good. Or if you open your front door, you see a stair outside is like a downward one, it's also not really good for your money luck. So that's why we want to avoid that. When you go to buy a house or rent a house, make sure that you don't choose that kind of a setting. It's not really easy to offset. So the best idea is stay away. Okay? Okay, the last one, number 10. Number 10 is the color. So our door is related to, if you can do it like related to the color, that would be much better. So there's a different location and then there's some different color. Okay, first of all, for the north, it belongs to the water energy. Something blue or gray or something black will be good. But blue and gray is better than black. And for the south, it belongs to the fire energy. So something like a red, orange, purple, light yellow will be good for that location. East and southeast is belong to the wood energy. So something green will help. West and northwest is belong to the metal energy. So something white will help. So this is the different location. So if, let's say, for example, if our door is in the west is belong to the metal in those 5 element concept. So we can do is for our door, we can paint it like a beige color, because beige color is earth element. So earth element can generate the west metal element. They're in like a harmonious situation. So this is something good. And for the carpet, you can choose something like a water element, something like a blue carpet that will help. Because your door is beige color, is earth element, can generate the west side metal element, and then the metal element finally can generate the water element, the blue. So make it like a harmonious situation. Or if you have some gates outside, you can also choose the shape, because different shape got different feng shui energy. Something like a round shape is belong to the metal energy. A long one is belong to the wood energy. A curved shape, wave shape is belong to the water energy. Something triangle is belong to the fire energy. Square is belong to the earth energy. I hope you good luck. Thanks for watching. Good luck. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.